Well, hey y'all, it's Deanna. Welcome to my channel. This is my, let's see, it's Saturday. Sorry, y'all, my nose is acting like I have allergies or something. But this is I think it's the week 13, could be 14. I've kind of lost count and I didn't look. But it's the update for the winter indoor growing, hashtag WIG 2026, and the micro dwarf 2526, where you grow micro dwarf tomatoes inside. So I'm gonna start with the tomatoes. I started out with 3 inside. One I have had to move outside because it got so big, and I'm gonna move so tall, and I can't get it under the lights. It gets a little light from there, but it's not enough. And this one right here is too tall also, so I'm gonna be planting it outside today or tomorrow. I'll put it in the greenhouse before I fully set it outside, but yeah, I'm gonna transplant it. And I did have this one up on one of these, and I took that box out and then just gave it a few little magazines to keep it from, because it was touching the lights, so I had to keep it from touching the lights. And there's my one tomato. It's the only tomato I've seen so far, but there are, on that first micro dwarf that I had to take out and transplant into a pot outside, it's got flowers that have opened on it, so there should be tomatoes soon. And then this one has little flower buds, but there aren't any open flowers yet. But once I transplant it, they'll probably open pretty quick, because it's kind of in a, you know, it's not the best pot for it, and it's kind of having to be propped up. So, okay, now on to the winter indoor growing. I've still got this lettuce, which I'll probably put that outside. I'll probably put my holy basil outside. I haven't decided. I might keep it in here if I find something to put it in that's not like huge, because I'm trying to conserve and, you know, be really mindful of the soil that I have to start seeds. And then I still have the mountain mint. It's back there in that little pot back there. It's still tiny. I can see that there is a new true leaf on it. So I'll keep that in here. And I have something else to add, which the stevia hasn't grown. And I still haven't planted anymore. But I did start some straw flower seeds that I'm going to grow in here until they're, you know, probably this tall, then move them out to the greenhouse. I didn't put them out in the greenhouse to start them because straw flowers have to have like 70 to 75 degrees to germinate, and it's kind of warm out there in that greenhouse. So I will add them to the WIG winter indoor growing. I planted them yesterday. There's purple ones, I think red ones. I'm not 100%. I don't really remember. Purple, yellow, pink, the orange, and then I had a mix. I didn't label what they were when I saved the seeds. I just labeled straw flower. I didn't label what color. So those are in there, and they're sitting up here under the light because they're surface sown and they need the light to germinate. So okay, y'all, I think that's about it. Y'all have a good one. Bye now.